next issue of the Tonic Studios Card-Making Collection has arrived. Issue 6 features a beautiful Nordic Christmas theme full of seasonal colours, gorgeous festive patterns and incredible projects for you to complete. The box includes an exclusive 8-piece Nordic Christmas Trio Panel die set, co-ordinating A6 embossing folder, 18 beautiful image and sentiment stamps and 160 stunning papers and toppers. In the 68-page magazine, you'll find tutorials for cards for all occasions, aperture cards, glittery makes, stylish shape designs and much more. You can also read about a day in the life of Jodie Johnson, as well as a chance to win £500 worth of prizes. Discover the latest issue of the Tonic Studios Card-Making Collection, full of products worth over £50, but for the brilliant price of $12.99. Launching Wednesday the 8th of August at 6 PM only on Achanda.